Hello everyone, so here is SportsHi app. It's climbed to the top charts in App Store, and to install it just tap get. It has 52 megabytes size, and then you can just use Touch ID to install it. And the idea of this app is that it's basically shopping app to buy your high school sporting gear. Like imagine you just started high school and you want to buy sneakers, t-shirts, all of that. Yeah, so I think this is the cool app. And yeah, or maybe it's just a better app to to find all the different sports internships and sport opportunities in colleges during your school. So there you have it.